Hello everyone, let us start the review. Grade 6, module number 4, lesson number 7. This is the last lesson of the module. Okay, so this lesson is about absolute value and the distance. We have to find the distance between the 2 points given on the coordinate plane. So the first type of question is about finding horizontal distance in the same quadrant. I told you horizontal means this. So this is horizontal distance and this one is vertical. So this is horizontal and this is vertical. Remember this. Okay. Now a coordinate plane is given in which 2 points are mentioned. Correct? Let us find their location. How much in x here? This is minus 4.5. Correct? Let's write here minus 4.5. And how much in y? 2. What about this point? Minus 1 in x and in the y same 2. Now we have to find the horizontal distance between these 2 points. Yani we have to find this distance. I will tell you a very simple way to do it. Okay, first of all write the 2 points. Point A, let's say this is point A and this is point B. So point A is minus 4.5 comma 2 and point B is minus 1 comma 2. If you will check, the y coordinate here is same, right? So khalas, we don't have to do with anything with them, leave them alone. Okay, now the x coordinates are different, we have to deal with them. There are some rules that you have to remember. If the 2 points are in the same quadrant, they are in the same quadrant, okay, then you will subtract the absolute values of the coordinate that are different. What did I said? First take the absolute value of these two. What is the absolute value of minus 4.5? 4.5. Yes. What is the absolute value of minus 1? 1. You found the absolute value, correct? If they are in the same quadrant, you have to subtract them. Subtract yani nagus. So you will do the distance between these 2 points. The horizontal distance will be 4.5 minus 1, which means 3.5. You can check it from the graph also. Check 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, and until here this is half. So this is 3.5. Okay. So what did I say? If they are in the same quadrant, first you will take the absolute value and then you will do minus. You have to take the absolute value of the coordinates that are different. The coordinates which are same, leave them. So the coordinates which are different, take their absolute value and then do minus. When will you do minus? When they are in the same quadrant. Understood? Let us move to the next part. Find the horizontal distance when they are in the different quadrant. Now if you check here in this question, this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2. My point A is in quadrant 1 and point B is in quadrant 2. Let's check their location first. What is the location of this point? Here in the x it is 5 and in the y it is 1. Here it is how much? 2.5 minus 2.5, sorry, and here it is how much? 1. Now which coordinate is same? If you will check carefully, the y coordinate is same, so y and y khalas. Now when they are in the same quadrant, you will again take the absolute value first. So what is the absolute value of minus 2.5? 2.5. And the absolute value of 5 here? 5. But when they are in the different quadrant, you will not do minus, you will do plus. So the distance between them will be 2.5 plus 5, which is equal to 7.5. You can check it from the graph also. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then this is 7.5. Okay, so same quadrant, you will do minus, and different quadrant you will do plus. But before doing plus or minus, you have to take the absolute values. Don't forget to take the absolute values. Okay, let us move to the next question. Find the vertical distance. Yani this time the points are like this. Okay, so we have to find the vertical distance. Okay, but anyhow, we don't need the coordinate plane. We just have to check which coordinate is different, right? So let us write the D and C. The D is -1 comma -1 over 2, and the C is -1 comma -2. First of all, we have to check which one is same, which one is different. Okay, check -1 same, khalas. We don't have to do anything here. We have to deal with the y coordinates. Yes. Now we have to check whether they are in the same quadrant or different quadrant. So let us check the same or different quadrant. If you remember the rules, I told you, if both the coordinates are negative, yani which quadrant? Third quadrant. Yani this point is here in third quadrant. Now the second one also, both the points are negative, yani this is also in the third quadrant, yani this is same quadrant. And if the quadrant is same, what do? We do minus, correct? So we will not deal with the ones because they are same. First we will take the absolute value of this and this. So -1 over 2 absolute value will be 1 over 2. 1 over 2 means half, which means 0.5. Yes, and the absolute value of -2 will be simply 2. Now because they are in the same quadrant, for the distance we have to do minus. So we will do 2 minus 0.5, which will be 1.5. So the distance between 2 points is 1.5. So there are some rules. If you remember all the rules, the question is very easy. You will not have to make the coordinate plane to solve any of the question if you just remember the rules that I have told you. Okay. Question number 4. See, again we have to find the vertical distance. No problem. The rules are same. Write the 2 points S and T. S how much? 1 and 0.5. See, both are positive. Both numbers are positive. Yani which quadrant? This is first quadrant. Yes. What about T? 1 and -0.5. Here the y coordinate is negative. When the y coordinate is negative, yani this is in the fourth quadrant. Now the quadrants are different. When the quadrants are different, it means we have to do plus. So first of all, no need for the ones because same coordinate, right? We will deal here. These are different. This is positive 0.5, this is negative 0.5. See, these are not same. Some boys might confuse it. They will say this is also 0.5, this is also 0.5. They are same. No, they are not same. This is positive 0.5, this is negative 0.5. Okay, they are different. So first of all, we have to take the absolute value. So the absolute value of 0.5, same 0.5. Absolute value of -0.5 will become positive 0.5. Now different means add. So the distance will be 0.5 plus 0.5 means 1. So this is the distance between the 2 points. I hope you understood the lesson and all the concepts that I have explained. Practice it as much as you can. The lesson is over. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.